are some instructions to create a compound noun from a sentence or a phrase. In the exercise, when you have to create a compound noun, you need to underline the nouns in the phrase. Remember to look for articles such as the or a, which will help you identify nouns, of course, but you can also look out for uppercase letters, which will represent proper nouns. For example, breast, university. Let's take these phrases, for example. A chart that is used for the weather. A company that is situated in Dublin. So, in example number 1, we have a chart and we have the weather. To make a compound noun, we take the last noun, weather, place it at the beginning and use the first noun, which is chart, and place it in second place. So, weather, chart. But don't forget the article. A weather chart. A chart that is used for the weather. In example number 2, we have Dublin in last position. I know it's a noun. It's got an uppercase D for Dublin. So the last noun is placed at the beginning, which is Dublin, and the first noun in the phrase, company, is placed in second position. So we have Dublin company, a company from Dublin. So for example, Guinness is a Dublin company. Let's have a look at another example. Example number 3. A team that has 5 men. In this example, we have 3 nouns. Team, men, which is a plural noun, and the number 5, which is also considered a noun, a number. So we have a rule. When we create compound nouns that use numbers and plural nouns in last position, we must convert the plural noun into a singular noun, but the number will remain the same. Note the position number plus noun always remains the same. So, place the number before the noun. Furthermore, it is usual to place a hyphen when using numbers. 5 men becomes 5 man. Number is always at the beginning, followed by a hyphen, and then the noun in its singular form. 5 man, and don't forget the other noun in the phrase, which is team. 5-man team, and don't forget an article, a 5-man team. A team that has 5 men, or a team that is composed of 5 men. Of course, it would be the same if we use the noun women. A team that has 5 women becomes a 5-woman team. So let's look at one more example. Example 4. A technology that regenerates cells. In this example, we have 2 nouns, technology and cells, which is in its plural form. We could say a cell technology. Remember, the last noun becomes the first noun and has to be converted into singular form. Cells becoming cell. A cell technology. However, the phrase is more precise about the type of cell technology. We have a verb, to regenerate, regenerates, which informs us that the technology can regenerate cells. This verb gives us more information, and it is advised to add this information to our compound noun. But how? Well, we take the verb and we convert the verb into a noun. Regenerate, to regenerate, of course, becomes regeneration, the noun. We then add the new noun into our compound noun, cell regeneration technology. Remember, cell, first position, technology, last position, and the newly formed regeneration in the middle. Of course, don't forget an article. A cell regeneration technology.